Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy, and today we're diving deep into the world of Chromebooks with the Google Pixelbook Go. This sleek device is Google's latest attempt to redefine what a Chromebook can be. This ain't your average clunky laptop, no sir. Remember those old, bulky laptops that took forever to boot up and were a pain to carry around? Well, the Pixelbook Go is here to change all that. Google's aiming for premium vibes here, and spoiler alert, they pretty much nail it. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell this isn't just another run-of-the-mill Chromebook. The design is sleek, the build quality is top-notch, and it just feels premium in your hands. We're talking sleek design, impressive specs, and that signature Chrome OS simplicity. The Pixelbook Go comes with a 13.3-inch touchscreen display, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a battery life that promises up to 12 hours of use. Plus, it weighs just over 2 pounds, making it incredibly portable. But is it all just a pretty face? Or does the Pixelbook Go have the brains to match its beauty? Let's talk performance. With options for Intel Core M3, i5 and i7 processors, this Chromebook is no slouch. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or even doing some light photo editing, the Pixelbook Go handles it all with ease. We're about to find out. The keyboard is another highlight. It's backlit, quiet, and has just the right amount of travel, making typing a joy. And let's not forget the trackpad, which is smooth and responsive, adding to the overall premium feel of the device. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about the Google Pixelbook Go, from its design and build quality to its performance and battery life. We'll also take a look at some of the unique features that set it apart from other Chromebooks on the market, and whether it deserves a spot in your backpack. Let's get to it. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for a reliable and stylish laptop, the Pixelbook Go might just be the perfect fit for you. So let's dive in and see what this Chromebook is all about. First things first, let's talk aesthetics. The Pixelbook Go is designed to impress right from the moment you lay eyes on it. The Pixelbook Go is a looker, no doubt. Its sleek and modern design makes it stand out in any setting, whether it's a coffee shop, a library, or your home office. It's got this minimalist vibe going on, with clean lines and a slim profile that just screams premium. The design is not just about looks, it's about making a statement. And don't even get me started on the weight. This laptop is designed to be ultra-portable, making it perfect for people who are always on the go. This thing is crazy light, like seriously you can practically carry it around with one finger. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable device without the bulk. Google's using magnesium alloy for the chassis, which gives it that sturdy feel without weighing it down. This material choice ensures durability while keeping the laptop light and easy to carry. And speaking of feel, the bottom of the Pixelbook Go has this unique ribbed texture. This isn't just a design choice, it serves a functional purpose as well. It's kind of grippy, which is cool, and it definitely helps with grip when you're carrying it around. This added texture ensures that the laptop won't easily slip out of your hands, providing an extra layer of security. The Pixelbook Go is not just about looks and portability, it's about fitting seamlessly into your lifestyle. Whether you're working on a project in a cafe, taking notes in a classroom, or just browsing the web on a park bench, this laptop is designed to be your perfect companion. The keyboard and trackpad are also worth mentioning. They are designed to provide a comfortable and efficient user experience, making typing and navigation a breeze. And let's not forget about the display. The Pixelbook Go features a high-resolution screen that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for both work and entertainment. Whether you're video conferencing with colleagues or streaming your favorite shows, the Pixelbook Go's display and audio quality won't disappoint. It's designed to offer an immersive experience no matter what you're doing. Battery life is another strong point. The Pixelbook Go is built to last through your busiest days, ensuring you stay productive without constantly searching for an outlet. In summary, the Pixelbook Go combines sleek design, lightweight portability, and robust performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and stylish laptop. It's a device that truly lives up to its name, ready to go wherever you need it. Alright, let's talk display. The Pixelbook Go comes in two sizes, 13.3 inches or 15.6 inches, both rocking a crisp, clear IPS panel. Now I know some of you techies might be craving an OLED screen, but honestly, the IPS panel on this thing is no slouch. Colors are vibrant, viewing angles are solid, and the resolution is sharp enough for all your browsing, streaming, and light work needs. Plus, the bezels around the display are pretty slim, which gives you more screen real estate to work with. Under the hood, the Pixelbook Go packs enough punch for everyday tasks. You've got different processor options to choose from, ranging from the Intel Core i5 to the more powerful i7. Now, I'm not saying you'll be editing 4K videos on this thing, but for your daily dose of browsing, emailing, document editing, and even some light photo editing, the Pixelbook Go handles it like a champ. Chrome OS is known for its snappiness, and this laptop is no exception. Apps open quickly, multitasking is a breeze, and everything just feels smooth and responsive. Let's talk about the typing experience, because let's be real, nobody wants to be stuck with a cramped, uncomfortable keyboard. Fortunately, Google knows a thing or two about making a great keyboard, looking at you Pixel phones, and they brought their A-game to the Pixelbook Go. The keys are well spaced, have a satisfying amount of travel, and are surprisingly quiet, like, seriously quiet. You can type away in a library or a coffee shop without feeling like you're disturbing the peace. The trackpad is also smooth and responsive, with accurate tracking and multi-touch gestures that just work. One of the biggest selling points of any Chromebook is battery life, and the Pixelbook Go doesn't disappoint. Google claims up to 12 hours of mixed usage, and while your mileage may vary depending on your workflow, you can definitely expect to get through a full workday on a single charge. And if you do need to top up, the Pixelbook Go comes with a fast charger that can give you hours of juice in just a few minutes, so you can spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time getting things done on the go. Now let's talk ports. The Pixelbook Go keeps it simple but functional. You get two USB-C ports, which is pretty much the standard these days, and a headphone jack for those who prefer wired audio. Yes, you read that right, a headphone jack, no need for dongles or adapters here. For wireless connectivity, you've got Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, so you can stay connected to your devices and the internet without any hiccups. Security and privacy are more important than ever, and the Pixelbook Go has you covered on that front. Chrome OS is known for its robust security features, including automatic updates, sandboxing, and verified boot. This means your data is protected from malware and other threats, and you can browse the web with peace of mind. Plus, you get a built-in fingerprint sensor for secure login and authentication, so you can keep your data safe from prying eyes. So, the big question is the Pixelbook Go worth your hard-earned cash? In a market flooded with laptops and Chromebooks, making the right choice can be daunting. With so many options, each promising to be the best, how do you decide if the Pixelbook Go is the one for you? Well, like most things in tech, it depends. Your needs and expectations play a huge role in determining if this device is the right fit. Are you a student, a professional, or someone who just needs a reliable machine for everyday tasks? Let's break it down. If you're looking for a powerful workhorse for demanding tasks like video editing or gaming, this ain't it. The Pixelbook Go, while efficient, isn't designed to handle heavy-duty applications or high-end gaming. For those tasks, you'd be better off with a more robust laptop or a dedicated gaming machine. But if you're in the market for a sleek, portable, and reliable machine for everyday tasks like browsing, emailing, document editing, and even some light creative work, the Pixelbook Go is definitely worth considering. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're working from a coffee shop, a park, or your cozy couch at home. It's got a fantastic keyboard, a stunning display, and battery life that won't quit. The keyboard is comfortable and responsive, making typing a breeze, whether you're drafting emails or working on a lengthy document. The display is crisp and vibrant, perfect for watching videos or viewing high-resolution images. Plus, it's a Chromebook, which means you get the simplicity, security, and affordability that Chrome OS is known for. Chrome OS is designed to be user-friendly, with a straightforward interface that anyone can navigate. Security is a top priority, with automatic updates and built-in virus protection, giving you peace of mind. So, there you have it, folks. The Pixelbook Go is a solid choice for those who need a dependable, stylish, and portable Chromebook. It's not for everyone, but for the right user, it can be a game-changer. The Pixelbook Go, a premium Chromebook experience that's both stylish and capable. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who needs a reliable device for everyday use, it offers a blend of performance, portability, and style. Peace out.